So we're gonna be installing this beautiful Tein lowering springs for my beautiful car. Woo! Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm really happy because I received the goodies from my car, from my LC500. So I received the lowering springs, I got the wheel spacers, I received the forged carbon steering wheel, which I've been waiting for a month. And also I've received the brake pads, Brembo brake pads. I'm going to change the brake pads as well. So for now I'm going to be doing the lowering springs and the wheel spacers to see how it looks. I'm going to show you how the car looks now, how high it is, and then once it's done, once the lowering springs are installed, I'll show you how it looks now. So as you can see, this is how it looks. So the space between the wheels, the turn, it's around 3 fingers front and around 2 fingers on the rear. So let's see after it's done how low it gets. This is the manual book. And then there we go, the springs. I think these are for the fronts. So we're getting the Brembo pads installed because the old one it's completely gone. We're going to be installing it here, and then we're going to be testing the brake from 100 to 0 to see how much difference it makes. That booty looks beautiful. So basically, to get hands to the top of this suspension, you need to remove the back seat, which we've already done. So once the backrest is removed, there is this plate where you're going to remove this plate and you will see the top part of the shock absorber. Finally, my car is done. S+ has done a really good job. They've lowered the car, put spacers in it, changed my brake pads, and I really love how it looks. Oh, I believe the car looks really beautiful now. It should come like this from the factory itself. Because it's a sports car, so obviously it should be a bit lower, not as an SUV, but I'm really happy with the amount the car is lowered. I've installed Tein springs and it looks really beautiful. Let me show you guys around. Thanks once again to S+ and their people who did a very good job. Thank you, S+. That's how the car looks. It looks so beautiful. That's from the front. That's from the back. So the back we got one finger, and from the front we got not even one, just like half finger.